Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of RTHD. In this episode, I want to just quickly show you guys how to crop an image in Photoshop. And this is going to be very short. It's pretty easy, and I hope that you can follow through and be successful with this. Alright, so what you're seeing here, guys, of course, is an image that I have opened. All you need to do, of course, to open an image is to click on File, Open, and of course select your image. So we have this image selected, and as you can see on this image, it's, you know, the way it's composed is our model is on the left hand side, and maybe we want to just, you know, crop her out so that we can get more of her on a central portrait style. And so the first thing we need to do, of course, is to select the area in which we want to keep. And there are many tools that you can use. If it's really simple though, you can use the rectangular Marquee tool, which is what I have already selected here. Hope that you can see it on the left hand side. And as you have it selected, now you'll have like a crossbar cursor icon, and you can pretty much select it using the left click button. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm doing that. I'm selecting and I'm dragging, and now we have her in the area that we want, and so that's gonna choose the area that we want. And now that we have it selected, we go to Image, and then we go to Crop, and there you have it. Now you have a cropped image where she's now in the center of the image. You could take this one step further. Let me just go back. Yeah, you could take this one step further by using again the rectangular tool, and there's actually a way to control the ratio when you select something. So you can actually adjust the ratio height and width. So let's say that we wanted, maybe we want a ratio of maybe 4 in height and 1 as the width. Now when we try to select, it's actually going to control, I hope you're seeing that, it's actually controlling the ratio that we use here. Obviously that's a bit wrong. We want perhaps maybe 2. Let's try 2, and let's see how that works. Yep, this is a little bit better. So now this is going to keep a certain ratio, and you can use this for specific ratios that you have. And then there's also the option to choose a fixed size. So if you know the size of the area that you want, let's say that your area has to be 200, let's say 300 pixels by, say 600 pixels. I'm not too sure if that's going to work the way we want it to, but then you can always now click on the area, and it actually shows you that highlighted area of that specific size. Of course, this image is so big that yeah, this image is really big. It's in inches. So so I hope that this helps you guys out. So there's many different ways of cropping, and stay tuned for more episodes. So make sure to like and subscribe if this helped you out. And you know, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to create videos according to what you guys need. So thanks again. Please look forward to another episode of RTHD coming to your YouTube screen. Take care. Bye bye.